Hi everyone, welcome to Appliance Advisors. I'm Francesco, joined by my co-host Dennis. Today we're going to talk about a commonly asked question, and that's how do I keep my induction top clean? This could be induction cooktops, induction ranges, but really the top glass part of your induction. How do you keep that clean?
Yeah, having just bought one, I'm kind of getting on from this. Initially, I was so excited. It's great stuff. I bought all the cleaning stuff, and they sell a bunch online. Yeah. At the end of the day, a couple of things. Certainly remembering that induction's super safe and really not a great chance of anything burning per se. So if you're gonna do frying or spaghetti sauce, things like that, you can line it with like a Silpat pad, which is kind of like a baking sheet, or even paper towels right underneath your pot or pan. So that makes it easy. The spill doesn't go there before it happens. But spills are gonna happen. So a couple of things. Soap and water, honestly. I just made a soap and water mixture. That's it. Nothing fancy. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you, it's absolutely the best. Some people would say, oh, you could use Windex, this and that. I really honestly feel that Windex streaks it a little bit more because it's pulling the food with it. The soap and water just seemed to be a little more dull. Not dull, it didn't look dull, but a little more clean. You didn't see that streaking quite as much. Certainly far less inexpensive. And so just really, really easy to clean. So I'd say soap and water. I mean, it doesn't need to be any more than that. That was kind of the beauty. I expected it to.
Yeah. So like those those glass cleaners that they have and
I will say this. There are some times where you'll almost get, lack of a better word, etching on the glass. Like a white kind of pasty looking substance. In that case, for me, there's a bunch of ways. Some people will just use baking soda or water. There's different mixtures. For that one, I do use Barkeeper's Friend. There's a liquid surface safe Barkeeper's Friend.
Yep.
That I don't have to do it that often. Normally soap and water just does it, but if it's up really easy, you just kind of wipe it on, wipe it off. So that's it. The only other thing I will say is, sometimes invariably something's really stuck on. So the water's not going to go off easily. These are glass, and forever, whether it was an electric cooktop or these new induction cooktops, same material, you can really even use a flat edge razor. And it's great. At an angle, you don't want to, try to draw threads on it, but scrape it right off like you would maybe paint on a windshield or something. Or stick around a piece of glass, and it comes off quite easily.
Yeah, and that's kind of the beauty of induction too, is that you really don't get a lot of that baked on spill like an electric range where induction's just heating the pan. Electric, certainly, you have boiling water, whatever it is, it kind of burns right on there. Correct. Should have far less of that with induction too. So good tips. So getting some tips from the experienced induction pro here. Hopefully that helps you out next time you need to clean your induction range.
And don't forget to follow us on social media for appliance tips and updates from Yale Appliance.
Your feedback is what shapes our series. Like what you saw, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you.
Stay informed and inspired on all your appliance needs. This is Appliance Advisors signing off.